new car. Woohoo! Good morning, guys. Finally, I have a bigger car. This is all-wheel drive Nissan Rogue, 10 years old. And actually, that's why I just came from Edmonton yesterday. I bought it there. I'm gonna meet my friend Vlad, and we're gonna get some fishing. It'll be McGregor Lake. McGregor. Woohoo! One more day. There you go, guys. Conor McGregor Lake. we can hunt walleye here. Oh wow, I like it. This is even an edge. The size and probably edge. Someone already fishing there. It is not really windy today. Yeah, this guy. We're gonna run car on the lake. Yeah, baby. Get it right. So can I call you on a Sunday afternoon? Don't want my words to be confused under the shadow of the moon. We'll do it right, bring it to life. Why don't we leave it? Right. And now I wanna find spot. Probably not too deep. We'll see. Woohoo! There you go, baby. It's much better. It's 0 temperature right now. Very comfortable. As you can see, I have only one small jacket, like one hoodie. And it's actually 0 wind too. So probably we're not gonna open tent. What do you think? No? Yeah. Oops. Oopsie poopsie. Yeah. Come on, man. Yeah. Huh? I have a smelt and I'm running to make my my deadline before we're gonna start fishing. Maybe we can catch something here already, like usually. I open George Egger. In here. Yeah, it's pretty much sunny weather today. I like it. Table here and this. And we're gonna wait a little bit. I'm gonna set up my dryer here on the hood. I don't know, we have something or no? No, I don't think so. Oh no. Looks like I fucked my rod. Just broke it. Where is my mantas? I'm just gonna cut end of rod right before this ring, and it's gonna be like a little bit shorter, but still rod. Okay guys, this is what I have now. Just my new rod. And real quick, I'm gonna install one more flag frobble. There you go. It's worked one more time, but I don't think it's something here. Big pike, guys. Big pike. Big pike. How can you see? Huh? Almost. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. One more time. Do it. Just eat. Come on. Come on, man. You have to. You have no choice. Yes. One more time. He punching just a little. Oh, coming back. Maybe gonna bite. One more time, man. Take it, take it, take it. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, come on. You just punch it. Oh, yes. Yeah. We have a pike. Or maybe something else. Yeah, that's pike. Woo-hoo. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Good. Good.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Yeah, guys. Oh, she has a one line more. Look. I'm so sorry about it, Pike. Try, man. Save her. Just careful. Just careful, bro. Just careful. Try. Can you?
Yeah, I can take it out. Just a sec. Here we go.
Yeah. Good job. Just
Easy.
take it through. Just pull it. Yeah.
No injury at all.
What the fuck, man? You just saved the fish.
We saved the fish. Look.
Oh yeah, she's happy. Oh.
Surgery.
Surgery. Yeah, you are the doctor one. Hey guys, we finally saved the fish and then just release it. See you. And let's go. Come on, man. Let's go. We have one. Let's go. Just right there. Whoa. It's action. We have one more here. Pike? Walleye? What is this? Oh, this is a pike. Oh, this is a nice one. Wow. Nice one. Oh man, this is a nice one. Come here. There you go. There.
Oh wow, that's a big one.
Wait. Crocodile. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, relax. You're strong, I know. Oh, she has a damage already. Look, this
Yeah.
is not mine.
Yeah, that's not yours. Yeah, probably fight.
One more, baby.
Want a picture?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can release it.
Just release. Remember, guys, we're just having fun here. We don't mind about the fish. It's a nice. This is the biggest one, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. See you next time, bro. It's awesome, man. This is super awesome. This is nice. Nice job.
Okay.
And I have still my smelts. As a part of my fishing today, I never used this Rebel flag, but I'm gonna do it today. Just a little harder. There you go. Okay, good. This is good enough. There you go. And again, I'm using Yamagata hooks. It's my old one. I have no reason to change it because on end of season it's already +5. And yeah, I'm gonna use the smelts again. Put the smelt on. Same system on my jaw jacker. And yeah, just go down. That's enough, I think. And then I just put it here. There you go. All right, guys, so we have a simple setup here, just 3 holes right in the middle, sonar, and we can see you can't, but we can see we can see smelts just probably 25 meters from us, or maybe even less. It's just a Rebel flag, jaw jacker right here, and I'm gonna show you guys what we just made. We saved the fish. Thank you, La.
No problem.
You just take this off from the pike.
It would be really bad for the fish.
Yeah.
We didn't take it out.
Yeah. Anyway, just think about if, for example, you have it on your neck,
Hey.
on your throat. Yeah, this is not good.
That's cruel.
I'm proud of me, and I'm proud of this guy. Good job, man. Good job.
No problem.
Good job. I like it. It's so super quiet today. Zero wind. One guy here. Just came a couple guys from the right, and we're still waiting for biting. As you can see, guys, we just saved fish, and I'm really happy. This is one more step. It shows how important to save life, how important to be with the wildlife, open and honest. I like it. I like it. You like it?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you like it. Okay. We have this guy right here, as you can see. Oh, we'll see. Yeah, it's some. Yeah, we have fish there. Yeah, we have it. Yeah, we have it. We have it. It's easy. Easy enough.
Oh, it's small.
Oh, no, it's good. This is not pike. Doesn't look like. We'll see. I'm not sure. Oh no, this is pike. Or not pike, I don't know. Yeah, it's pike. Woo, yeah. Small guy. First time.
Look where the hook is.
First time on a frobble. Uh-oh. Wait. Oh. Yeah. We always have a fish for the lip, right?
Yeah. It's never inside, it's just...
Small little guy. See you, man.
Yeah.
Oh, this is guy. We have one more smell, eh? Oh, one more.
Let me take it.
There you go.
Good.
You have it?
Yeah. Oh, no.
No?
Just mouse.
Aww. Canada goose already here. Spring coming, eh? Woo! Hi guys. I don't think it's here. I lost it again. Looks like. I'm not sure. Probably we have. Yeah, we have. It's moving. Look. Yeah. Do it.
Yeah.
You have it?
Yeah.
How big? How you feel?
It's pretty small.
Uh-huh.
I feel a lot. Oh, it's pretty far away. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
It's not pike.
what is this?
I don't know, but it's not pike.
Holy moly.
No, it's pike. Take
Yeah.
the smells. Take the smells.
Take it. You. You take it? Oh yeah, there you
Good.
go. You happy?
Yeah. Release. Go. Good.
Good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Here we go.
Small?
No. Pretty big. It's good.
I hope the smell's still there.
I hope as well.
Oh, I want to see it, man.
I see it. Oh yeah, smells is there. I saw it.
Come on. Pull it up, man. Pull it up. Oh yeah.
No rush. No rush. It's here.
Let me take smells. Let me grab smells.
Oh, no. It's not yet in.
I need smells. That's it. There you go.
Another one. Bigger one.
Good job. Okay, just leave it. Good job.
One.
Good job, man.
Yay.
Good job. Good job. See ya. It was pretty much good day. Well done, guys. It was awesome. So we got a lot of pikes today. Couple pike was lost, and yeah, it was awesome. So yeah, just go to McGregor Lake and do your stuff. If you like pike fishing, yes. If you like walleye fishing, I don't think so. Doesn't look like they have some walleye here. Never catch, and I ask people, they say no. I don't know. Anyway, see you guys next time.
We were talking,
Bye.
Oh, so close. On this Friday night, a million faces overdose. And yours I happen to find with a smile that exploded across your face and then mine. It's got me wondering, how is it gonna be without this bottle of wine? The phrases you don't wanna hear, paired with strangers and cheap beer. What can I say to make me someone worth believing? So this time, yeah, this time I'll get it right. So can I call you on a Sunday afternoon? Don't want my words to be confused under the shadow of the moon. We'll do it right, bring it to life. Why don't we leave this here tonight? So can I call you on a Sunday afternoon? Now the time's gone, but it floats. I still feel your eyes, raining cautious like you know. Got me categorized. But can I change your mind? Can we slow it down? Look around. I wanna give you no time. The weekend story never long. Full of diapers and stairless on.
Man, let's go home, man.
So this time, yeah, this time I'll get it right.